As our company's independent research and development technology is becoming mature, we launched the Precise AI Alert products with 6 smart functions, provide you with more comprehensive services. Now, let's show you vehicle illegal parking and setting course. When IP camera detects vehicle, which is parking in a pointed area more than set time, it will trigger alarm. No parking here. No parking here. No parking here. Setting tutorial. Configuration. Alarm management. Intelligent events. Select the channel. Select vehicle illegal parking. Click enable. Click the erase to clear existing detection area. Draw new detection area. Set sensitivity and stop violation time. Click setting of camera light alarm. Choose the suitable duration and time. Click setting of camera sound alarm. Click enable. Select the number of play, audio and arming time. Click confirm after setting. Click setting of arming time. Arming according to requirement. Click confirm. Click setting of linkage mode. Setting linkage configuration. Click confirm. Click save. Kindly prompt, enable vehicle illegal parking, automatic shutdown area intrusion. Click confirm. Click exit after showing finish save. Back to preview.